So today we're going to talk about what to expect when you order either a Battle Belt Lite or a Duty Belt Lite and how to set up that belt initially. So it's going to come to you in this basic all white package for the most part, unless you have special packaging and you get something else. But most of them come in this all white package. All you're going to do is you're going to open it up, dump out the contents. You're going to have your inner and your outer belt. Now, most of the time, the inners and the outers are color matching. But just remember, this is an EDC belt. So say you prefer a black EDC belt compared to a tan belt. If you put that in your order notes, you can get a different color inner. Now, that being said, you're going to have your outer and then whatever buckle you've chosen. So here we have the aluminum, but we do also have the polymer buckles. So all you're going to do is take your belt, take off the Velcro, you're going to slide it out. And one of the first things you're going to do is take your buckle and grab one of the ends, and you're going to slide it through and then fold it over. I like to start off folding to where the Velcro is lined up here on the edge, and then I'm sure that the logos are facing out. And then all you're going to do is take the other side and do the same thing. So once you have the buckle put together, if you've sized your belt correctly, the size that is engraved on the belt should be hidden underneath. So you should have MOLLE coming up just about all the way to the buckle, and MOLLE just about all the way to the buckle here. What we see a lot is people either order the wrong size or they have one side too far adjusted, and you'll see people having the size showing and then the MOLLE all the way back. We've designed these to where you should be able to get the MOLLE almost all the way to the buckle. So let's get into sizing and wearing the belt. So like I said, I like to have the Velcro lined up initially at first. I have my inner belt on, and then from here, I throw the inner belt on, and as you can see, I'm a little under a size 40. So what I'm gonna do is take this side and I'm going to adjust a little bit on each side at first. That way I'm not favoring all of my adjustment to one size. So I got to go a little bit more. And as you can see right there, everything lines up. I have MOLLE all the way to here and MOLLE all the way to over here. Now, if you're finding that you're having to adjust it way further out and you're having your MOLLE say starting back here and you're using almost all your adjustment, you may have sized your belt wrong. That's okay. We have a free sizing exchange for the first 30 days with your belt. Fill out that form on our website and just get the correct size. Now, that being said, these belts do go up and down a size. So this is a 40, it can go up to a 42 or down to a 38. So that being said, you don't want to favor one of those sides initially. So if I'm really having to choke this in all the way, I may be closer to a 38. You're going to have a better experience overall if you just do the size exchange, get a 38, and properly adjust it from there. For any more information, feel free to check out our website, reach out to customer service if you have any questions. Thanks for stopping by.